If you want to delete your Epic Games account, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and avoid getting stuck along the way. Before we begin, remember that deleting your account is a serious action, so make sure you really want to do this before confirming anything. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the site loads, click Sign in and log into the account that you want to delete. Make sure you are signed into the correct account because once you start the deletion process, you'll want to be absolutely sure you're working with the right profile. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This will open your account menu. From that menu, select Account. This takes you to your main account area where you can manage your settings and personal information. Next, go to Account Settings. This is where Epic Games keeps the important options for your account, including security, profile details, and account management controls. Once you're in the account settings area, scroll down carefully until you find the Delete Account section. It may be lower on the page, so take your time and look through the options. When you see Delete Account, click Delete Account to begin the process. Epic Games will usually show a confirmation step to make sure you understand what you're doing. Read the message carefully because this is your final chance to stop if you change your mind. If you're sure you want to continue, click Delete Account again on the confirmation screen. At this point, your deletion request should be submitted. Depending on Epic Games' process, you may be asked to verify your identity or confirm through email before the account is fully removed. If that happens, just follow the instructions they provide and complete any extra verification steps. And that's it. You've now gone through the steps to delete your Epic Games account from the website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.